Mangroves are a tropical ecosystem amongst the least known on the planet. These forests are like no others. They grow with their roots in water, rocked by the rhythm of tides, and are made up of unusual trees, mangroves. The only ones capable of living in salt water and breathing thanks to their aerial roots. Sometimes drowned and sometimes dry, muddy, silty, the mangrove is impenetrable, mysterious and hostile. But for those who spend time there, it offers a protective space, a sanctuary rich in many precious resources.